another edition of 60 Seconds with Femi, Korrect, Pidgin, yannings. And what we're going to look today now, Manchester United against Juventus. In case you never hear that match, and Manchester United 0, Juventus 1. After that match, Luke Shaw can't come out. Think on the talk, say, for first half, say Man United players and just they respect Juventus players. Me, I wonder, Juventus players, them be Mazi, them be Chief, them be either for church. Why you go to respect them? Okay, Man U fans, go the comment section. Why una players go to respect Juventus players for Old Trafford, for una home? I be that place not be theater of dreams again. They don't do naming ceremony, new one, they don't change the name. Even though say Mourinho come out after the match, say Juventus get defenders, Bonucci and Cellini. Now why they feel they do anyhow? Their defenders stand gidibam. Man U defenders, where una go? Then go holiday. I be Man U no get defenders. What thing they happen for Manchester United? Now him I want know. Then finally, Lukaku. Go the comment section. Which job fit Lukaku pass? Now bouncer, soldier, I been a striker. Now fit Lukaku. 60 seconds with Femi. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share this video. May your friends then they see ya.